Hello everyone, today we're gonna cook stir-fry waterlily steam.
What are the ingredients we have?
The ingredients have tofu, green onion, fresh mushroom, waterlily steam, dry mushroom, kalengkal, garlic, salt, and soy sauce.
What are we going to do?
First, put a little oil, and then put garlic, and kalengkal. Saute until it's fragrant. Put tofu.
Oh, it smells so good.
Somehow, can you pass dry mushroom for me?
Okay.
Thank you. And fresh mushroom.
Oh, it looks so yummy.
Yeah. Somehow, can you pass waterlily steam for me?
Okay. Wow, it looks yummy.
Stir it 2 minutes or until waterlily soft. And then add salt
Soy sauce.
and soy sauce. And then add green onion. Now it's cooked, we can serve it on the plate.
It's so good. And it looks so yummy too.
Yeah. Now stir-fry waterlily is finished. I hope you guys make it at home. Thank you for watching.